Photovoltaic modules convert sunlight into electricity. The photoelectric conversion efficiency directly determines the power generation capability of a module. Higher efficiency ensures that each square meter of rooftop generates maximum value. As the technology that comes closest to the theoretical limit efficiency of monocrystalline silicon, AIKO's ABC technology leads the world in photoelectric conversion efficiency. Compared to TOPCon modules, ABC modules generate 6% to 10% higher power within the same area. Innovation starts with a silicon wafer. AIKO's ABC cells use lightly doped, ultra-high resistivity, low oxygen content silicon wafers, which extend the minority carrier lifetime to 10 times longer than conventional wafers, improving efficiency by 0.6% to 1.5%. Unlike conventional cells, which feature grid lines on both the front and back, ABC's grid lines are entirely moved to the back of the cell, increasing the light-absorbing area by 2%, resulting in higher power generation. Moreover, compared to conventional cells with only negative electrodes passivation, ABC cells employ all-electrodes passivation technology to reduce energy loss, further boosting efficiency by 1.2% to 2%. When cells are connected into modules, traditional technology often results in a loss of generation area. AIKO has pioneered infinite module technology, which increases the power generation area by 1.4% through InvisiRibbon technology. Precise zero-gap technology eliminates cell gaps, further increasing the power generation area by 0.4%. Thanks to innovations and breakthroughs at every stage, from silicon wafer to cell to module, AIKO's ABC modules generate 6% to 10% more power than traditional modules. In practical applications, for 4,000 square meters power station, using ABC modules increases installed capacity by 6.4% compared to TOPCon, resulting in an additional 2.37 million kilowatt-hour of electricity generation over 30 years, pushing the limits with technology to make every square meter of land more powerful. AIKO ABC, higher power, more generation.